Hey guys, welcome to Wondercraft Updates, and I'm just gonna quickly show you all about guest access. I just grabbed one project here and I decided that I want to send over to a client or to my colleague or for someone to either comment on it or edit. So I go to the invite. I already have here my colleague Alex, but I decided I want to invite someone else, and let's do it. So okay, I've got the email here and you can see that I can give different types of permissions. In this case, I'm going to go for a commenter because I only want to give access to this email for someone to comment on it and not actually edit my script. So this would be perfect for your client. So if you want to send the final product to a client, but you don't want to let them edit the script, this would be the best access to give them commenter, and they will just be able to say what they like and what they do not like. So let's add them on, and now I can invite Filipa. You can see you're going to get this one, which is, would you like to update this person to a guest member? So that would mean adding it as a member to your team space. I do not want that. I just want to give them guest access, meaning that they only have access to this single project and nothing else. So that's it, guest access, and they will receive an invite on their email to accept. You can see here, invite sent, and they will be able to only access this specific project and comment on it. I can also then change their permissions if I want to, and that's it. You can also copy the link, send to them directly, and that will be it. Thank you so much.